I created this ranking video in just 15 minutes using only free tools, zero editing experience, and most importantly with $0. And now I'll show you exactly how you can do it too. First, you go search ranking on YouTube and filter your search to have only this month's shorts. Scroll down to find a trending short that's performing well. Once I got my topic, I go search on TikTok for videos that match it, for example, add some color trend. Once you've found 5 good videos, it's time to edit. For that, I recommend Canva. It's super simple and free to use. Drop your clips in. Now this is really important. You'll need to pick your best clip and put it at first as it's your hook. It grabs your viewer's attention and helps improve your swipe-through rate, and it needs to be more than 70% to have a chance to go viral. Right after that, you start building your template that you will use on all your videos. This is a very important step to stay different than all the other ranking channels. From the title to the ranking numbers, you can make them easily with your own style, choosing from the designs already available in Canva. Don't forget to put an animation on the title only in the first clip. Now we move to my template for the rest of our design. As you can see, I use the same design for all my videos, and we go ahead and rank each video in the right order. Always remember to put your best clip in the beginning to hook the viewer. For each clip, you put a brief comment and do the same for all the others. Now for the emojis, I personally use Canva on my phone. It's quicker and easier to edit. For each comment, you put an emoji that describes what you wrote, then leave everything as it is, so when you go back to the edit, you'll do as I'll show you. Once finished, head back to Canva and copy-paste every comment, and don't forget to delete the animation so that you don't get a loop effect on your comments. Continue the same way for all comments. This is your last step, future content creator. Congrats! Now all you got to do is to download your edit and you're good to go. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how to start your own YouTube channel in the ranking niche in 15 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.